were to cook something.
Let's go with the jerk chicken.
What culture is that from?
Jamaican.
Would you want to do like tomorrow?
Jackie, what do you think?
Don't bring me in.
I'm like trying to prove that the world is like a much more friendly place.
Who wouldn't want to be a part of that? Right, okay.
You're down? We maybe got a person for tomorrow. Hello. Can I have a little tour?
This is the living room. I like jazz, so I like the saxophones.
Do you play saxophone?
I intend to. These photos are of when I went to Jamaica. My
How often do
parents-
you go to Jamaica?
Might be every year. So these are my parents. I lost my mum in January, so
Sorry.
it's still a bit raw.
Is purple and pink your favorite color? I mean, it seems like your color is important to you, or
Yeah,
you
I
got,
like bright colours. I go through phases of wearing either blue or
Yeah.
leopard print. I've just finished my leopard print, and so now I'm just wearing pink.
Whoa!
Fish tank.
Are there fish in there? Whoa!
These are some of the things I baked. Oh, that's a red velvet cake I made. This is Jamaican coffee. So that's been marinating from last night. So I'm doing rice and peas. You haven't heard of rice and peas?
Never.
Okay, so this is the passion fruit. I'm making some martini with.
I am down for an 8:40 a.m. cocktail.
The last kind of good encounter I had with my mum, she was in a care home before she passed away. And Kamala Harris's dad grew up in the town that she was born in Jamaica. She said how she knew the family. So I was like, oh my God, I didn't know this.
We're throwing a cooking party in Hyde Park. If you would like to come and bring some of the meal.
All right, okay. You know I'm not doing this for the money anyway. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Cheers. How would you say like British culture and Jamaican culture are different?
Oh, and in fact, it's not that different. I just suppose it's the food. British people are using a lot of Jamaican language like the...
Yeah. What's some of the Jamaican slang that's being used?
I've got to think of something that isn't rude.
Final bit. Oh, we got a tray. Where are we eating?
We're going to eat in the garden. We're officially friends, you know.
And I'm coming for tea next time.
Yeah,
I'm here.
I said next time he comes. Cheers. Spicy?
Perfect amount of spice. Of all the meals that I've had, this is now number one.
Oh, you said that to all of them.
As promised, here you go.